Good morning and welcome. Today we are going to be doing another makeup with me with making faces, and the look that we're going to be doing today is Shimmer, which I'm super excited about because as of yet we have not gotten any highlighting done with our couple of Kevin Aucoin looks. Washed and moisturized my face. Let's jump right in and see what we need to do to complete this look. And the first step is to use concealer to cover up any spots on the face, but he does advise that we use concealer very minimally. And I'm just gonna blend it in with the Beauty Blender. Alright, looking good. So we don't set it or anything. The next step is to apply highlighter lotion to the face with your fingertips or a foundation sponge. And it just says like to the face, like all over the face. And funnily enough, I do not have any highlighter liquids other than this glitter drops from Cover FX. But I want to be very sparing in this because these guys are pretty intense. Like, this might be an actual mistake. I kind of wish we were instructed to mix it in with some foundation or something. I'm going to make my own lotion here just to dilute it a little bit. So I'm going to take just face lotion. Just like a little bit. And then we'll take some highlighter drops. And let me take a look at what that looks like. Oh yeah, that's still quite intense. Going gold glitter today. These glitter drops are really super glittery too. It's pretty much just applying a thin coat of actual straight up glitter to your face. Now they are very small glitters. Nonetheless, it's straight up glitter. And actually, this lotion I've used is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, which is like shine-free hydration. So I think this might be a great combo because my skin feels very soft and not greasy, even though I'm applying straight up highlighter all over my face. Alright, I'm gonna not do my shoulders and neck just because I don't want to get my new clothes dirty. Alright, and actually this is not as bad as I expected it was gonna be. I think I could have gone a little like more heavy-handed even. I think it looks better definitely from far away than it does up close where you can see like individual glitters. Next, we're supposed to do a very light application of liquid blush to the cheeks and temples, blending well with fingers or sponge. I'm actually going to use my regular old cream blush. So it just says cheeks and temples. I'm going to regret getting my Beauty Blender all sparkly here. I do feel like I do look a little bit like greasy, like I just got out of the gym, but in a very glamorous way. I think I could even add a little bit more to the cheek since we're going a little, you know, editorial. Warm tone dark brown eye pencil, blend into the lashes and smudge with an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use my Clarins 4-in-1 pencil. I wonder if one day I should just try wearing a face full of highlight all day. Like, would people comment on it? Would people notice in real life? I feel like it's hard to not notice. I feel like you kind of get distracted from my pores by looking at this glitter though, in a good way. Or people think I'm living out some sort of Twilight fantasy moment here. I always feel like when it comes to pencil eyeliner, I never put enough on, or I smudge it out too much, or I don't smudge it out enough. But I guess we're just trying to like darken the area without actually having dark lines, so maybe I'm doing this right. That's why I like liquid eyeliner. There's no like ambiguity about what you're doing, right? You're just putting a line on your face. Next, we're supposed to use a burgundy cream eyeshadow in a circle around the eye with the eyeshadow brush, leaving dark brown pencil darkest at the lash line. And a burgundy cream shadow I do not own, but I do have a ColourPop eyeshadow, which I think would probably be pretty creamy. So I'm just going to take my eyeshadow brush and we're going to go around in a circle, I guess like a silent movie film star. This isn't looking burgundy at all. This looks brown. I wonder if my eyeshadow is getting a little dried out. Like it's picking up on my finger, but it's not like attaching to the brush. Alright, and we're trying to go circular as well. And we're talking all the way around the eye. Sometimes I like to take comically oversized fluff brush and just go around the edges. I feel like that's a pretty foolproof way to blend when you've only got one color on your eye. Okay, let's do the other eye. I maybe should have picked a different eyeshadow color to use. But we're also not going to overthink this, you know? We're just... The reference photo, it's not like she's wearing like super burgundy eyeshadow. Shimmery powder eyeshadow, pale beige, and just brush that on the brow bone. And because I'm wearing glitter all over my face, I'm going to go a little ham with that. Because why not? At this point, he warns us, no eyebrow filling is happening at all. So I'm just going to quickly groom my brows. That would be ideal for a clear brow gel, which I do not own. Next, we're using black mascara on the top lashes and burgundy mascara on the lower lashes. But I only own black mascara, so we're going black and black. I also don't have any under eye concealer on, so no brows, no under eye concealer. What a look. Next, we're to use a lip pencil to fill in the lip shape. And then we fill in with a shimmery pink lip gloss. All I have is White Russian, which is not shimmery pink at all. So maybe I'll go over with some ultra blotted lip from ColourPop in Doozy, just to get a little bit more pink. Alright, so final thoughts for this look. I've literally got glittery shimmer all over my face. I don't totally hate it, but I think this would be like a once a year Christmas party experience. It's a little bit more subtle than I expected, but at the same time it does, and this probably depends on the type of shimmer lotion that you apply to your face. It does look a little bit sweaty to me. I could probably do it a little bit more strategically than applying it everywhere. Like, I'm really worried about this area, my mustache, you know, getting stuck in there. I personally would do my eyebrows a little bit if I was going to wear this out. I think we can still keep a really natural brow look. I actually like the eyeshadow. I'm not a huge eyeshadow wearer, so I think it works. I kind of like not having under eye concealer as well. Although I did go in with like glitter all the way up to my under eyelids, so that's a little sketchy. So maybe that helps brighten them up a little bit. But yeah, what do you guys think about this look? There is the Kevyn Aucoin shimmer. I feel like if we wanted to up it a little bit, And we might as well up it a little bit. We could kind of copy her glow in the photo. So to do that, I'm just going to take some Straight Up Intense highlighter. This is the Jouer Skinny Dip highlighter with a highlight brush. And she has an intense glow kind of up on her forehead area. I'm going to be a little bit more precise with this. Oh yeah, that made a huge difference. I mean, that's one thing about powder highlights is that they're so convenient. They're so easy to place. I'm gonna go really heavy. Ooh, that just like super emphasized all my pores. But this way I can really avoid my smile lines. And then she's got a ton under her brow bone, so I'm gonna go even more crazy. And then we can probably buff out everything using a big powder brush. And I think that just kind of helped amp everything up in a bit more of a controlled way. I could probably even add some highlighter to my lips. I think it kind of works with the tired look I have under my eyes. I don't know. Am I just deceiving myself? She looks pretty tired too. She looks sleepy even. But yeah, you'll have to let me know what you think about this look. It was a lot of fun. It's fun to kind of like get pushed out of your comfort zone to do something like pile on that highlighter, use glitter all over your face. How crazy. Got glitter all over my hand now too. Maybe I'll step out into different light and let you take a look at what it looks like in like normal daylight. It's evening now, so like evening light. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe down below for more beauty content from me. I put out beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and I really appreciate you watching these with me. Huge shout out to my patrons who help make these videos possible. If you'd like to help support my channel, you can look into becoming a patron. Share this video with anybody else who might find it helpful, or just, you know, keep sticking around for the ride and comment, share, etc., etc. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next beauty video. Bye.